Hi, welcome to SAP MM training class, Purchasing Info Record PIR Part 2. So, under this subject matter of discussion, topics covered in first part is already we have seen. Now we are going to discuss about the part 2. In part 2, conditions in info records and updating info records. After this, part 3, maintaining info records, mass maintenance of info records, monitoring info records, creating a buyer negotiation sheet, and part 4 is about all customizing of info record. So now let us go into see the part 2, conditions in the info record. Actually, condition means here we can take the pricing condition, because the material and the vendor and with purchase organization, if they are going to be satisfied with certain rules, then that price is going to imply. So let us see the how the conditions are generally we are going to use in this info records. Conditions per order unit. It can be maintained for order unit, and the info record price versus PO price. So generally we see in this concept. Let us go to SAP. We will see the conditions. First of all, we go to the conditions, we go to the info record, and we will see the conditions, what are those, and test it, and later we will see what is conditions per order unit. Later we understand. We have been discussed already conditions per order unit in the vendor master, but we will see here a little more subject on that. So let's go to the info record, in the logistics, materials management and purchasing, and see the master data in that info records. Now we will not create it, we will go to the change mode. We already created one previously in the first part, and second part one we use the same type of data. So here vendor is 44412 and DVR PIR 4 we are using, purchase organization 1000, plant is 1000. So let's enter the last 4 digits is 6049, purchase info record number. All this data we already seen. Now here you can see the order unit. On this order unit, variable order unit is there. On this order unit we can keep one price condition. If we change the order unit, we can keep another pricing condition on the another one. Like that we can do it when variable order unit is there. Otherwise, if it is one active, variable order unit is active, we can keep different one. Instead of pieces we can put it as boxes, and we can give the relation also. But each order unit there is no price, we cannot keep it, it calculates the conversion. But if you select the second one, there will be no link, and you can keep it a separate price for each one. So that is the difference. Actually we go and see the conditions first. Let's go to the next screen. Here the price is 855, and I wanted to explain first in the net price, effective price and gross price. So difference between the gross price and net price and effective price are gross price without taking any possible discounts and surcharges into it. That means gross price is the one before applying any kind of discounts and surcharges into it. That means the price is not affected with the, means we have not included yet the discounts and surcharges. Later on that price we are going to remove the discounts and surcharges generally. But here there are lot of conditions are there. We can use on the net price also discount, and we can use on the gross price also discount. So conditions types are there, are many types are there. We can use how we wanted, we can, but general concept is gross price is there, price without taking any possible discounts and surcharges, whereas net price is price with taking any possible discounts and surcharges into it. Means after applying the discounts and surcharges on that, we will get the net price. That means, so difference between those gross price and net price is, net price is after deducting the discounts and surcharges, net price will come. And what is the effective price? Effective price is on the net price after removing the discounts and surcharges, we get net price, and on that net price after addition of the, after deductions of cash discounts and all this addition of delivery costs, means on the net price delivery cost and taxes, when we add it, effective price will come. So that is the difference. We will watch with what changes are coming in the SAP. We will watch with one example so that we understand properly this. Let us take this example only. In this we will go to the conditions. Now here I wanted to enter inside, choose that one condition is there. Now already I have applied some conditions here. You see here I have applied a price of 1000 euros. After that I have applied a discount on gross price. If I open this, you can see here lot many conditions. You see here lot many conditions. Discounts are RA00, RA01. RA00 discount percentage wise on the net price, means on the net price you can also calculate the discount. The discount on the gross price, if we wanted to calculate on the gross price percentage also, we have the condition. These are all, we call it as condition types. Each condition type have its own calculations. It will take the gross price or net price on value basis or percentage basis and quantity basis, it can calculate. So there are number of variety of condition types are there. Whichever is applicable we can apply it, and these conditions already SAP is defined most of them. Pricing procedure is a separate session. We have created our own session separately. It is there, in that we can see more about creation of these condition types and automatic assignment for the vendor groups. So presently now here discounts, here what I have done, difference to net and difference to gross. To understand that one I have already created two of them. You can see here gross price is 1000 euros. In that discount price 5% I have taken in percentage basis, and discount on the net I have given it. So from 1000 it is easier to calculate the 5%. It's 50 euros must be deducted on the gross price, and after that net price is there, means when we deduct the 50 euros from the 1000, it will become the 950 euro. From 950 euro 10% is 95 euros must be deducted. So 10% if we deduct it, how much it will come? 850 will be the net, 55 will be the net, because 95 it will be deducted. 10% of 950 is 95, and 950 was there after this 50. 950 minus 95 is 855 supposed to come. Let's go back and see the net price, how much it is there. You can see here net price is like that, it will calculate it. Now you might have understood that net price is this. Let's go inside there and apply apply the so let us apply the some additional cost on that, so that freight cost or something additional cost, if we apply it, the effective price will differ or not, we will see that. Okay, sorry. So these are the costs. The first you can see that FRB1 is the on value basis. So the above one is freight on the percentages basis, and this one is value basis. When we apply the value basis, it will not calculate anything with them, it is only just add by the value total how much we will give it here. Let us say 100 we will give it. Now let's go back and see what difference. You can see effective price is changed, 955. Before it was there 855 and 955 it has become now. Let's go and change with the percentage, whether it will calculate on the net price or it will calculate on the gross price, we will see. Let's go back and remove this one. Removing is, you can select this one and go to this place, you have this button deleting purpose. You see the red color inside the total screen, that will used for the deleting that row. So you can delete this row, it will go, and you can reapply another one which is on the percentage basis, so that whether it will use this or we use the net price. Let's say the freight percentage, because 10% we have deducted, 10% if we make it, it will not become equal, but is it coming to closer or not? Because deducting with a higher price and increasing with lower price will not be same, so there will be a difference. Let's go back, 940, and so that means it is increasing on this only, on the net price. That means whatever we have studied, after deducting what net price will come, on that net price it is going to apply. If it would have be actually calculation wise, it would have be on the gross price, if it applies, and it should be more than 955, more than that one it will come, but it is calculated on the 855 10%, so that's why it is 940. Is not even 100, it's less than 100 it has come. So that means it is calculating, it is calculating the freight is percentage is calculating on the net price, not on the gross price. So now you have seen the difference between the gross price, net price and effective price, how they will differ. You have understood completely. So now let's go to next to understand this. We have known it. This we will go to we will go to the purchase order and apply this one. We will save it and apply the same thing in the purchase order. So 44412 and material is DVR PIR 4. So let's go to purchase order. To create the purchase order, ME21N. Material is DVR PIR 4. We have the PIR completely, so that's why the prices are coming here. So you can see these prices are coming here. But why this one is 20 euro when we have taken 1000? Have you observed? So this 20 euro has come because the plant is not decided here. When plant was not taken, that time the price was different. That means it's a different you can say here, you can see here the last 6049. Let us go back and watch the same thing. Info record, only one record will be there and different data are going to store in that. with plant, without plant. So differences we can see. You see here, without plant there is a 20 euros are saved. Okay. So to what are the conditions we have given it to choose that one, we go to the conditions, a screen will come. Already we created a condition, put your cursor on that and choose. You see here 20 is there. So that is the difference. But if the same PIR record, if the same PIR in the 6049, let us go and come with the plant. If we give it a plant 1000, it will see the price is different. So that means each plant wise and purchase organization is taking a data separately. Now in the purchase order, if we give the, you have seen that 6049 last one, if I give the plant, what will happen? You can see, you can watch here, you see the price is changed, 855 it has come, 855 it is transferred to here. The price is with the plant also, with the purchase organization also, but record number is same thing. You see here 855 price it has come. We have seen the difference, different levels of the storage of storing of the data, and also we have seen effective price and all this. We can the quantity it wanted 100 pieces, I will give it, and now we will go and see the conditions, what changes has come. 100 pieces afterwards. So 1000, gross price is 1000, with the quantity is 100 pieces is 1000, the 100,000, and discount is, and the 5% discount on the gross. Afterwards we have applied 10% discount on the net. All together is 855 will be on the one piece, and it will be for total value 855 and all this here. But when we enter here, we have applied the freight also 10% condition, but that it is not came in this purchase order. That is the difference I wanted to show you. In the purchase order, when we create it, we never know, we will not come to know that freight will come when material and comes with after preparing the material, when it comes to the GRN, that time only freight cost will come. So that means it will be there in the invoice. When he will give the invoice vendor, in that invoice what is the freight will be there, not in the purchase order. That's why the freights and additional cost will not be here until and unless the quantity what is going to bring it is fixed, then only the additional cost is going to apply. Otherwise the additional cost cannot be before only predetermined and all this. Okay, if it is exactly same thing and no government external conditions are not changed, maybe we can define before only, but it is not freight is not included here. That is included. Generally that is going to be taken in the invoice. Let's go to this. Already I have prepared invoice for this one. Already I have shown my video for creating complete cycle. So see directly the invoice, and last one we will see here. See, this is Miro invoicing document. In this document I have not yet saved, but all the things I have drawn it here. You can see here the first component is total value of that one. For 100 pieces 85,800 after discount everything it has come. And the second component is freight. You can see here it is showing here detailedly freight 10%. freight. So this is going to taken on 100 pieces is 855. Together will be, this is the 94,050 it will be. So if I will put the same thing amount 94, what I will, so now done. So that is the difference. Additional costs and other things also I have shown you. So now we can go back. Let's see our slide. So there are some other things needed to know about these conditions. Let us go back again. And now in the conditions, as per the timings also we can keep separately. So what I wanted to do is, if you wanted to, you see here already this one is graded. We cannot apply any changes here. If we wanted to do the changes, we cannot apply any changes here. But how to do the changes? Then in this 1000 plant only, purchase organization 1000 plant only, how to do the changes? Now new validity we wanted to give it, we can give it a new validity for the same thing, or with reference to the new, with new reference is asking to select this thing. You can select this one and click this one with a reference to new selection. Is asking the date, validity, time, you can change it. Suppose we wanted to keep it for future values, we can keep it, or we wanted to use on particular day is a different value, also we can do it. So let's say on today onwards we are changing, so that means it is going to immediately affect with the new price. Now I will give it as 30 instead of 20. Now save. So today onwards is going to affect. So now let us go to the purchase order again. We will create a new one, ME21 N You see here I have not taken purposely here the plant is same thing 1000, there was a different price. Purposely I have taken different one because here it is copied only purchase organization and the relation of purchase organization only. Purchase organization 1001 it is copied because there is no data for 11001. So 1000 plant data cannot be copied to the 1100. 1000 data cannot be given to the 1100. Instead of that, it has copied the same purchase organization 1001 to that price only. That plant one also has come. That is the thing. So it is not necessary that needed to complete this one. I wanted to show the difference is plant we have changed, the price also affected here. So this is one. And let's go to info record again. I wanted to apply the, sorry, we are in create mode because should go to the change mode so that we can change the, I wanted to apply the conditions in that choose in this base price, in this gross price I wanted to apply some scale prices. You know what is meant by scale prices? Scale prices are something like, volume basis, you can define the either discounts or separate prices, like